ABC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the forecast features milder temperatures tonight through tomorrow. Temperatures holding steady, maybe even rising toward daybreak. Back into the 70s tomorrow, but we are going to see scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two during the day. Better chance of rain and storms tomorrow night with a frontal boundary. And by the way, just a marginal threat of severe weather, but it is there. It's not zero. So we'll talk more about that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at what's happening across the lower 48. And look at all this white. These are all winter storm warnings in effect from Wisconsin all the way back to the west coast of the Pacific Northwest. This is storm system number 1. There's going to be another one that follows. Great news for skiers. Maybe not good news if you're traveling in any of these locales. Gulf Coast, by the way, is actually going to be the best place to travel Wednesday and again this weekend, with the exception of a strong cold front that's coming through late Saturday. We'll show you that in just a bit. Southeast winds are picking up for sure. The clouds are coming in. Temperatures have leveled off. Currently sitting at about 62 to 63 degrees, and that's where we're going to stay all night long. In fact, temperatures actually rise, we think, toward tomorrow morning, courtesy of that breeze, and it looks like a few showers developing right around getting ready for school time tomorrow. So send the kids off with the rain gear just in case. It's going to be brief shower activity, and we're going to see that at any point during the day. Here we are at lunchtime or shortly thereafter. A few showers. Might see a couple of thunderstorms popping up in the afternoon. These are the cells. This is the area I would watch the most tomorrow for any severe weather threat, and it doesn't look like an overt severe weather threat, but it's going to certainly be breezy and mild. Temperatures well into the mid to upper 70s, with scattered showers continuing through drive time. Nothing that's too terribly bad. And then as we head into tomorrow night, we'll see a prefrontal trough with showers and thunderstorms forming out ahead of that, and that's coming through late tomorrow night through early Wednesday morning. Front clears the area as we head into Wednesday morning, and then we'll be left with partly cloudy skies and not much cooler weather behind this front. Upper 60s, lower 70s, and we'll drop down into the 50s for Wednesday night. But overall, a mild pattern to finish out the week. Again, we're hatched in for just a marginal risk of a few isolated severe storms, one or two that could produce damaging winds and or an isolated tornado. There's enough wind dynamics aloft, but usually we got to get our dew points in the lower 70s for severe weather to manifest around here, and I'm doubtful we're going to get there, but we'll watch it. Better risk of severe weather off to the north of us into Arkansas and Missouri with this storm system. That's going to be a nice blockbuster, producing some very heavy snows on the order of a foot to 2 feet from the Rockies out across the high plains and then the Midwest and the Great Lakes. So as we head into Wednesday, your travel day, if you're heading up into the northeast corridor, expect delays. And then back to the west, look at this, more rainfall, more snow coming out of the Rockies, and we're kind of in between everything as we go into Thursday, Thanksgiving, and then even into Black Friday as well, with more snow developing coming out of the Rockies and then moving across the northern plains. There's that front I talked about for Saturday. I'll give us a chance of storms, and then finally a cool down as we start off December. So this is the way it looks, snowfall pattern just through Thanksgiving. This is a white Thanksgiving from the west coast through the Rockies up through the Midwest, and then you add the snow that may occur over the next week to 10 days. There's going to be some pretty good snowpack off to our north and west, so that would make an argument for when the fronts come later into December, they're going to be cold because they're going to be chilled by the snow off to the north and west of us. So in the near term, count on scattered showers, breezy and mild, 40-50% on your rain chances at any given time during the day, 60% for the day in total, and then 90 to near 100% tomorrow night as that front moves on through. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday look very nice indeed with partly cloudy skies. We're going to have plenty of clouds out there. Then as we head into Sunday and beyond, the winter chill is back. We're going to see temperatures getting back down into the 30s at night, and maybe even a light freeze or frost come next Tuesday morning. So in the near term, we have some fall weather, and then we shift into winter weather as we go from November to December.
It's December after all.
Yeah,
all right.
how about that?
Yeah, thanks, Rob.